Is it safe to run wheel spacers on the GMC? Wheel spacers are the common aftermarket parts for the GMC. The spacer is machined to fit over the vehicle hub. Pushing the tires outward helps mitigate this rubbing. The best wheel spacer size choice, helping you decide what's the best for your vehicle and driving style. It is recommended to use forged aluminum GMC wheel spacers. Bonoss aluminum spacers are made of forging process, have higher strength and more suitable for driving in different situations. Choosing the right thickness will depend on your vehicle's requirements and the look you are aiming for. Thinner spacer push the wheels out further, offering a more aggressive stance and better cornering performance due to the wider track. Bonoss GMC wheel spacers are made of high-strength 6061-T6 and 7075-T6 aluminum alloy materials. After continuous tons of pressure, the forging process eliminates internal void pockets and weaken metal parts, maximizing fatigue resistance and increasing impact strength.
Bonoss wheel spacer with multi-stage Hub-Centric Design. The Hub-Centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers fit the corresponding hub spacers, which the spacer more closely with the hub, eliminates vibration caused by inaccurate data. Bonoss wheel spacers provide high performance, more additional functions, fast customer service, and friendly service, which is your best choice. That's all for today's video. If you want to get this Bonoss wheel spacers, please check the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.